Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Fortnite on PC without Epic Games Launcher. First, download the Fortnite installer from the official website and choose the Windows standalone option. Run the installer, accept permissions, and pick your install folder. After installation, verify files and launch Fortnite directly from the Epic free shortcut or the Fortnite executable. If you encounter errors, check graphics drivers and firewall settings before trying again. To sign in without the Epic Games Launcher, use your Epic account credentials when the Fortnite executable prompts you, or enable any offered offline mode. Link console accounts to reduce repeated logins and keep two-factor authentication active for security. Use a strong password manager and clear cached credentials if login fails. If you still cannot sign in, verify your account email and security settings, then retry signing in after restarting the game. To keep Fortnite current without the launcher, use the executable's built-in updater or official patch files from the Fortnite site and run updates before launching. Back up your settings and key binds before patching or reinstalling to avoid losing preferences. If updates fail, use the repair or verify option to restore files and reinstall the standalone installer if necessary. Also check drivers and storage space to prevent interrupted updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.